Guys, I look like a absolute idiot with this thing strapped to my forehead. It feels kind of weird. I feel like I have no blood circulation in my head, but honestly, if you guys are enjoying this new product I got, like it's that one I posted in the, what is it called? The community post. It's like the thing where you strap your GoPro to your forehead and you can get a POV like this, as you can tell. I'm using both my hands finally, so yeah, this would be a lot better for capturing a lot of moments that I can't usually capture. But yeah, trying it out at night, because I tried to film a video with it yesterday in the daytime, but I looked absolutely ridiculous. So I need to get used to, just not caring about how people are looking at you while you look crazy like this. But I don't want no cops seeing with this thing on my head too. I don't think that would be too good. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying this POV type of content, please give this video a like, comment something. It does help out the algorithm a lot. And yeah, hope you guys are ready for 2022 content. I'm buying a lot of products that can help my videos, basically, so slowly but got no traction. Slowly but surely gonna get these videos and this channel going. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this POV. I went and picked up some tiramisu. My favorite cake is tiramisu from Cheesecake Factory, and the lady's like, "Hello sir, do you have a mask?" I'm like, "No." She's like, "Oh, I can't serve you if you don't have a mask." So I'm like, "Well, I don't have a mask." And then she went in the back and got me a mask. She was being like all weird about it. Like even the employees behind her were laughing. It was like an old lady manager. She's like, "Oh, you need a mask." She's like, "When you put your mask on, the Apple Pay will work." I'm like, "Oh really? Is that some new technology?" And she's like, "Yeah sir, that's some 2022 technology." And everybody in the back was laughing, feeling offended and stuff. But yeah, well, we got our cake though. That's all that matters. And got our joyride in. This is the last day where it's raining, guys. It's Friday today. I think the 3rd or the 4th of the month. But look at this guy. Oh, it's the last day that it's raining. So we got like 7-8 days of sun starting tomorrow. So I'm gonna go wash the car finally after like 2 months. It's like full of salt and dirt and brown, and so we're gonna go wash it and hopefully get some car content going, have fun, just film the moment. I don't like editing too much, so I just like doing raw as possible. I'm not gonna sit here and edit out half the videos and, oh, that's not cool enough, that's not good enough. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying. Go, 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 go. love this car. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, smash the like button, give it a comment, share with your friends, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm excited for 2022. We got new equipment, excited for everything that we're gonna be putting out and all the fun we're gonna, be having while filming all these videos. And yeah, excited for what's to come, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, peace out, and have a wonderful day.